Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today we are making a delicious arugula salad. Let me show you the ingredients we are going to use. Arugula, rice cakes, olive oil, red balsamic vinegar, salt, Parmesan cheese. With arugula salad, what we're gonna do, we're gonna take 2 rice cakes and we're just gonna crush them right on the salad. It's gonna be like croutons. So what do? You just smash them. We're gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese. You see, by using Parmesan cheese, you almost don't need to use salt. So mix your salad, take a bite, and then see if you need to add salt to the salad. I love red balsamic vinegar. It makes the salad taste really good without a lot of calories. So we're gonna use 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1, 2, 3. Now you just need to mix the salad. You want the cheese, you want the olive oil, you want the Parmesan cheese to become every bite you take, you taste of it. That's a beautiful, healthy salad. And it takes a few minutes to make. So we have a nice healthy salad in front of us, and what I like about it is very simple and it's easy to make. As you taste a little bit of the balsamic vinegar, you know, the rice cakes, they're like croutons, and the Parmesan cheese, you really don't taste it that much because we didn't use any salt. So what do you think?
It tastes delicious. Actually, the flavor is really good, and it's great.
Yeah, it's really good. It's you know what it is. We need to eat more greens.
Yes.
And if you figured out a way how to do it,
Yes.
and it's easy and it's delicious and it's good for you, we all win.
Yes. I do believe it is perfect as it is. But you know what? If somebody likes balsamic vinegar more, they can add.
Well,
maybe
you can add a
more.
little salt too.
Yeah.
Because I didn't use salt because I like to appreciate the different flavors. Good energy, good food.
Every day.
Energy takes me where